Almost there. We are going to cover one last step you need to take before creating your actual product listing. By the end of this video, you will understand what a product ID is, whether your product has one, and, if not, how to obtain one. For most product categories, sellers are required to use an industry-standard product identifier, known as a product ID, when creating new pages in the Amazon catalog. These product identifiers are part of a system called GTINs, or Global Trade Item Numbers. The most common GTINs used to create Amazon catalog pages are Universal Product Codes, UPCs, International Standard Book Numbers, ISBNs, and European Article Numbers, EANs. Amazon uses these barcodes and numbers to identify the exact items you wish to sell. Each unique product that you sell must have its own barcode. For example, if you are selling a shirt that comes in 3 different sizes, each size of the shirt will have its own barcode. Please note, if you are listing a product that already exists on Amazon, you do not need a UPC, ISBN, or EAN. You will be matching to an existing product page that was already created using one of these barcodes. If you are listing a product that does not already exist on Amazon, you have 2 options for making sure that you have your product ID covered. 1. You can purchase UPCs. Amazon verifies the authenticity of product UPCs by checking the GS1 database. We recommend obtaining your UPCs directly from GS1 and not from other third parties selling UPC licenses to ensure that your UPC is valid. To purchase a UPC code, please visit gs1.org or click on the button directly below this video. If your brand, manufacturer, or publisher does not provide a GTIN for your products, or your product is private label and/or handmade, you may qualify for a GTIN exemption. If you are granted a GTIN exemption, the product ID field won't be highlighted as a required field for you when you try to create your listing. To apply for an exemption, please look in the More Information box to the right. You may be wondering how a product ID differs from a SKU or an ASIN. As you just learned, a product ID is a registered barcode that can be searched online. A SKU, on the other hand, is a string of numbers and letters that you as a seller assign to your products to keep track of your inventory. Finally, Amazon's Standard Identification Numbers, ASINs, are unique blocks of 10 letters and/or numbers that are automatically generated by Amazon. ASINs are used to identify items in the Amazon catalog and can be found on the item's product information page on Amazon.com. For more information, search for UPC in Seller Central Help. Please proceed to the next video to learn about your next step. See you there!